Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn Learning notifications to stay consistent weekly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn Learning notifications, start by opening your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Learning section. You can find this by clicking the work icon on the top right corner of your homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Learning. Once you're in LinkedIn Learning, look for your profile icon at the top right corner. Click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the options presented. In the Settings menu, you will see a section for Notifications. Click on Notifications to expand the options available. Here, you will find various notification settings related to your learning activities. Look for the option labeled Course Completion or Learning Recommendations. Make sure to toggle these notifications to on. Choose between email notifications or in-app notifications based on your preference. It's also a good idea to turn on reminders for upcoming courses and lessons. Save your changes after adjusting your notification settings. Now, you should receive regular updates and reminders about your LinkedIn Learning activities. These notifications will help you stay consistent with your learning goals each week. To further enhance your experience, consider exploring additional courses that interest you. As you engage with more content, you'll receive tailored recommendations. This will keep your learning journey dynamic and aligned with your career goals. Remember, consistency is key to utilizing LinkedIn Learning effectively. With notifications activated, you're now ready to keep your learning on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.